Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this part is a design here, a sliding jaw, and sliding jaw is very important of this bench wise lathe machine body. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine and how to all parts is assembled here. Okay, today discuss here at first drawing one by one all parts is drawing here, and last is all parts is assembled here one by one. Okay, this is a sliding jaw and this body is a sliding jaw, and how to this body is designed today discuss here. Okay, and all view is you can see here on the screen, and this is isometric view is this body, and all dimension in inches. Okay, and this is a top view and this thickness is a 2.56 inch. Okay, and this is a front view and this all geometry you can see here, and then plane select better is a front view, and then this is a right view is a geometry you can see here. Okay, this body is a drawing this body, and how to this body is a drawing here, and one by one all process is learn here. Okay, and this is a cutting sliding key is cutting here, and okay, all is a this is a hole wizard is used here, and this is also a hole wizard is used here, but this is not mentioned here, and this lecture is you can see here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student, and one by one is all point is a learn here. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first going to this part, and part is a select here, and some setting is very important, and this is a inch. Okay, and going to plain white and going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, all dimension is set here, and at first select this. Okay, use a front plane. This is a length is a drawing this design here. At first select this dimension 1.5 inches this length, and 0.875 inches this length to this, and this is a and this distance is a 0.75 inches. Okay, and this is a 2.75 inch. Okay, and this is a 1 inches. Okay, one by one is drawing here. At first select front plane. Center line is a drawing here. Okay, drawing a center line this. Okay, draw a line is a this line this to. Okay, drawing a this. Okay, a simple line is a drawing here, and then one by one is all is connect here. Mention this dimension, this distance is a 1.5 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.875 inch. Okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 0.75 inch. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a this, and also this is a this kind. Okay, this is a this, and this distance is a all distance is perfect here. Okay, and use this dimension is this is a drawing a line 1.5 inch, and this is use a 0.75 inch, and this is a 0.875 inch. Okay, all is perfect, and then use a mirror, and a mirror is this, and select here this, and select a line. Okay, and okay, and connect to this, and this line to this. Okay, and this line to this is a connect here, connect to this. Okay, this distance is a mention here 1 inch, okay, and this distance is a default value is a 2.75 inch. This is a perfect drawing here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And going to feature and extrude boss and select this. Okay, this is a okay, and this use a 2.56 inches thickness. So this is a 2.56 inch thickness is this, and direction is reverse is better. Okay, all is perfect and click OK. Okay, this line is perfect, and material is apply here. This is a nickel, and material is apply here. Going to this appearance and metal, and this is a nickel, and this is a perfect, and okay. Okay, this body is a drawing here, and next is a okay, and next is a select this face, and okay, and this face is a select here, and a sketch normal. Okay, sketch a normal. Okay, and drawing a this some line. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and drawing a this. Okay, okay, this is a right view is a this point 1.75 inch, and this radius is 1.3 inch and 1.56 inch, and this distance, center distance is 0.13 inch, and this is a 1.19 inch. Perfect. Okay, and select a line. This is a this line is a drawing here, and select this, and okay, and okay, this is a line is this, and okay, and drag here this. Okay, and select a 3-point arc, and 3-point arc is connect to this, and this is a this. Okay, okay, and this is a this, and this is a this, and dimension is apply here. This dimension, this distance is a this distance to this is a full distance is 1.75 inch. Okay, and this distance to this is a distance is 1.56 inch. Okay, and this radius is a 1.38 inch. Okay, and this okay, but this okay, and this use a delete here, and this circle is this. Okay, and okay, this distance to this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, and this distance is a this use a 1.19 inch. Okay, this is a fully defined. Okay, and this line is a this line and this line is a collinear. Okay, perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And the next point is this, and okay, all dimension is a perfect, and this is a 1.75 inch and 1.19 inch. This center is a maintained here, and this center is a this 1.3 inch, and this is a this, and 1.56 inch is this distance. Okay, and 1.3 this is a radius. All value is a you can see here. And okay, extrude boss, and going to this up to surface and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and go this is a okay. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and all perfect is a correct, and going to this and okay, and all point is mentioned here this, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, drawing this point, this line, and drawing this is a perfect. Okay, and some use this line and vertical distance this, and angle is this. This is a cutout line, and this some point is cut out, and distance this is a 0.38 inches. Okay, and this distance bottom 1.24 inch. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. And then this use and then cutout is this use this. Okay, mention here. Okay, 1.38. Okay, this is a 1.38. 1.38. Okay, this, and this use okay, and this dimension is used here. This is a cutout. This value is a 0.38 inch, and this is a 1.38 inch is cut out here. And okay, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this use going to see this is a flip side to cut, very important. And then this fully, and this value is a increase here, some extra, and this is a this. Okay, some user through all, and okay, okay, this cutout is a perfect cutout. Okay, all is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and this cutout is a very, very important. And okay, and some select a material is this face and this, and okay, and this face, this is a, and going to this use a painted, and this is a candy apple red. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and next is use here this face sketch normal, and going to a line is a drawing here a center line, drawing to this center line is this, and mention this dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and dimension is this this dimension is a 2.19. okay, and because apply this cutout is a hole, a circle is cut out, and then this circle is a 2.19 inch, and then this circle is a distance is a 1.37 inch. okay, draw a circle is this diameter, this diameter is a this is a 1.37 inch. okay, this two dimension is very important, and 2.19 inch, and this is a use a 1.37 inch. Perfect, and click OK, and extrude boss. okay, and going to this normal, and some line is a drawing here this point to this connect here, and use a trim command, and this portion is delete here because this is a not use. okay, and going to going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is apply here this up to surface, and then this is a perfect. okay, and select this face, and going to this material. okay, this color is okay, again select this face, sketch normal, drawing a circle is this is a circle is a drawing here, and this diameter is a 0.75 inch. okay, because this is a point diameter is a 0.75 inch, and this is a cutout. okay, and this is a very important, and going to extrude cut is a this is a mention here this a perfect cutting here, and this is a perfect cutting, and this is a only a this is a use this value is very important, and 1.187 is a perfect, and this is use a blind, and this 1.187 because this is not mentioned here, this use a okay, and okay, this is a perfect cutting. okay, and this is a perfect and again this use a hole wizard, and then use a thread, and again select this face normal, and going to hole wizard, and hole wizard is a this is a state tab. State tab is a use here inch, and tapered hole is a perfect okay, and size is a okay, and this is a size is a very important, and size is a 1 by 1 by 8 by 7 1 by 1 by 8 by 7 okay, 1 by 1 by okay 1 by 1 by 8 by 7, and showing this cosmetic size, and some point is a change here this this value is a 0.8 81 813 is inch, and this value is also mentioned here, and the next lecture is coming soon, then all value is a mention here, but this value is not mentioned here. Okay, and okay, all is perfect, and some point is this, and this is use a blind, and this is a 0.44 inch, and this value is very important. And okay, and uncheck a near side countersink. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 2.25 inch, perfect, and all is correct, and 1/7, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, all is mentioned here, and going to this position, and this circle is this, and okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect cutting here, but this use then this, and going to this near side countersink, then this is okay, and this is this, and this is uncheck here, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and all is better drawing here, and okay, and this is a drawing this, and this is a cutout is this. Select this face, sketch, normal, and center line is this is a drawing here, a center line. Okay, and this line is this vertical line, going to vertical, and then use this corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is a drag here this. Okay, and some use this, okay, and then define a dimension. Dimension is this, this is a 0.22 inch, and then this is a 0.19 inch, and this distance is a 0.51 inch. Okay, this is a perfect dimension, and this is use a black, this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and going to this cutout is a apply this, this cutout is a point, this distance is a 0.51 inch, and this is distance is a 0.22 inch, and this is a 0.19 inch. All is mentioned here is correct, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all. Okay, and okay, and this use a mirror, and select a plane is a right plane is better, and going to mirror, and select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect. And next is a use this, and okay, and next is use here this is a this face is a select here, and a sketch, and going to whole wizard, and whole wizard is a this use a this use this, this is a straight tap is cutting here a whole wizard, and then use a inch and tapered hole, and this value is very important, and this is a and 1/420. okay, and this is a 1/420. Okay, this size is very important. And also this is a perfect, and this value is mentioned here. This is a perfect, okay, and this, okay, this is a blind, and going to this 0.63 inch. okay, and this is a 0.50 inch is perfect, and okay, all is perfect. okay, and going to position, and okay, this is a draw here, this one, and center line is a drawing here at first, because this is a very important. And also drawing this, okay, and some relation is a mention here, and this relation is perfect. And going to this, okay, at first select this, define a relation, this distance between this to this is a 1.5. okay, 1.5 is this, and this distance is a select here this 1 inch. okay, this is a 1 inch is better. And a relation is very important, and select this point and press the control button and select this line and this point, and all three is a symmetric, and this relation is very important. okay, and this is a fully defined, and going to exit, and this is a perfect. But this thread is not so here, and going to option, document properties, and image. okay, this is a detailing, and this shaded cosmetic thread is check here, and this is a okay, and then this preview, this thread is a showing here easily. okay, and this is a perfect. okay, and also this is a this use a fillet is used here 2.25, and then going to fillet and select this 0.25 inch, and select this, and okay, and again this is a again select a fillet, and fillet is used here this okay, and this is a perfect drawing here, and okay, 1.13. okay, 0.125 is better, and 0.123 is also better, and this is a 1.25 is perfect, and this is this, and also this, and this all is a fillet is this, and select this, and this all fillet is used here, and okay, all is perfect, and okay. okay, and both fillet is select here one by one, and then going to this Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and this. Okay, and also this is a back side is this face. Select sketch this face and normal, check here, and this is a very important, and this thread is a 3 thread is used here, and this is a very important. Okay, and going to this hole wizard, and at first select a hole, 2 hole and 1 count state tab is used here, and at first going to this and okay, this is a perfect. At first select a hole, and this is an inch, and select a all drill size. Okay, all is perfect, and size is a size is only 25 is a better. .25 is a perfect. Okay, this is a 25, and going to this blind, and okay, and then okay, this is a okay, at first select this blind, and this is a 1 point, select 1.062. okay, and this blind is used here, and this is a thickness is a 1.062, and this is use size is a 25, and all drill size and inch, and going to position, and position is a select here this okay, and okay, and select a center line. Drawing a center line is this vertical line. Okay, and some dimension is used here. This dimension is this and this dimension is a select this point to this distance is a 1.19 inch. Okay, and select a 1.19 inch, and this distance is this line here is a distance is a point. Okay, select here 0.31 inch. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and all is better, and this is a fully defined, and okay, and going to exit. Okay, and this is a hole is a this full is a select here this okay, and again select this. Next is a hole wizard is used here. This is a tapered hole. A tapered hole is this going to inch, and select here a tapered hole. This going to inch, and tapered hole is perfect, and also going to this value is very important. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a 1/420. Okay, this use a 1/420. Okay, this is perfect, and blind होता है, and this use this this is a this use this and this is a 0.75 inch perfect, and this is a 0.50 is all is perfect, and going to position and again select this and this and okay and again select this and going to hole wizard and again select a hole and this is a next is this and and then use a very important and inch and all drill size, and then use a 7/32, and this is a very important 7/32, and then use a 7/32 is perfect 7/32. okay, this and this blind is a perfect and this distance is a distance is a 0.375. okay, going to this position and going to this okay, this is this and okay, click okay, all is perfect and correct and again select this right plane mirror and select both 3 1 select 2 and 3. okay, all is mirror okay, all is perfect and correct and select this 0.001 inch and select all face. okay, all face is a 1/1 is a select here, then this okay, this is a perfect and and select this at first select both first and second and select a mirror, this is a red. okay, all is perfect, both is a this and going to this and select a fillet and use here this and going to face this face and this 1/1 is this all face is select here. okay, this face and this face, this face, this face and this face. okay, all is select here 1/1 this face. okay, all is correct. okay and isometric view is this and 1/1 all point is a learn here, and this is a perfect cutting here. okay, and this face sketch drawing this metal is chromium because this is some lighting and okay and okay okay and guys, all point 1/1 is discussed here and you can see here on the screen. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a part 11, and this is a lathe machine base and how to this body is designed. And this part is a lathe machine base and all all view is you can see here on the screen. And this project is a base wise lathe machine, and how to at first drawing a one by one all parts is a drawing here, and last is a all body is assemble here. Okay, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view and all geometry is all geometry and all dimension you can see here on the screen is easily and clearly learn here, and how to use this dimension and this body is created here easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student. And guys, this is all dimension in inch. Okay, and some missing point is some missing point is also available here, and this video is a full. Okay, this video is a see a full videos, because some mistake point is discussed here also. Full video is a you can see here. Okay guys, this body is a okay, this is a drawing of this part, and how to this part is a one by one point is discussed here, and this all dimension is a use, and first to last is a this video is so see here, because one by one easily and all parts is drawing here. Okay, this is isometric view, and okay, this is a back side is also perfect and correct. Okay guys, this body is a drawing easily, and one by one all point is discussed here. Okay guys, okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first going to this part, and some setting is very important. A plain white, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And at first this unit setting is a inch pound second IPS, and okay, all is perfect. This window surface is a design available here, applicable here. Okay guys, at first drawing this created here, length is this at first drawing this is a thickness is 7.25 inch, and this length is a 2.75 inch, and this width is a and height is a 1.5 inch 1.56 inch. And okay drawing okay, plane is select here, because this is a maximum drawing this and front plane is select a better, and select a front plane drawing this center rectangle. This is a corner rectangle is a select here, and okay, this and this point, and press a control button, and this line is select here, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and define a dimension. Dimension is this is a 2.75 inch. Okay, and this is height, and width is a 1.56 inch. Okay, this is a and this is a 1.56 inch. Okay, because this is a large dimension is put here, because 1.56 inch is perfect, and going to extrude boss is apply here, and this is a mid plane is select here, and this is a 7.25 is thickness and perfect drawing here. And okay, this thickness is a 7.25 inch perfect. Okay, and midpoint is a perfect select here. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and material is apply here, and going to this appearance and metal, and this is a going to nickel, and polish nickel is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and next is this and this is a select this okay, and select here back side sketch normal. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and okay, this okay guys, this point is a drawing this and drawing this point. This is a distance is 1.25 inch, and this height is 1.75 inch. Okay, and this center is a 1 point, and this radius is a 1.38 inch, and this center distance is a 1.19 inch, and drawing this body, this part. Okay, and okay, or draw here this. Okay, and draw a line is select here, or draw a line is created here. Okay, and this line. Okay, and this is this and this is this to this. Okay, perfect is correct. And this point select this line is a relation is tangent. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and dimension is define here this is a 1.38. okay, and this distance is a 1.75 inch. 1.75 inch perfect, and this length is a 1.25 inch. Okay, and this distance is a okay some okay, and this is a delete here and drag this okay, and this is a horizontal, and this define this point, and this line is a 1.19 inch. 1.19 inches. Okay, all is a fully defined sketch here. Okay, this distance is all this dimension is looking here 1.75 inch, and this center is a 1.19 inch, and this radius is a 1.38 inch, and this is a 1.25 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. And going to this extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this use a op. Okay, and this is a up to okay, going to up to surface is perfect, and up to surface is perfect. Okay, all is correct and perfect. Okay, okay, this is isometric view. Okay, correct here. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is this face sketch here. Okay, next part is created here. This is this dimension is used here. This is a 2.25 full. Okay, and this is a drawing here. This is a 0.69 inch, and this is a 2.25 inch perfect. And okay, drawing here this face sketch normal. Okay, and drawing this this line is click here this point. okay, and some point is a okay, okay, this point is this okay, okay, this point is distance is a 2 point. Okay, at first drawing a center line, and center line is this drawing to this, and this distance is a this is a 2.25. okay, and this is a 2.25 is perfect, and also this line is created here, and this is a and select this line, and this point is a line is select here and created this okay, and select this geometry is created here, and this is a okay, and okay, draw a okay, okay, draw this okay, drawing this and this is this okay, and a curve is drawing here this, and created this and this point to and connect to this okay, okay, and this is perfect, and this line and this line okay, this line is a collinear and also a equal. Okay, this is a perfect relation, and both line is a collinear and equal is perfect relation is correct, and okay, and select this and okay, next point is a define this radius. This radius is a 0.69, and this line to this distance is a 2.19. okay, all is this okay, and this is a perfect drawing here mention this all is correct here okay, and okay, and this line is created here this is a distance is 2.25 and 2.19, and this is a 0.69 is perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect drawing here and all is correct, and going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is only this is a okay, and extrude boss is this is a created here 5 inch, and going to this up to offset from surface is this okay, all is perfect, and 5 inch and offset from surface is correct. Okay, and okay, okay, this part is a drawing here this, and okay, and drawing here okay, and this is a base, and this face some color is a okay, and this okay, and this body is a color here. Body is looking perfect, and going to this and select a painted, and this is a red color, and this face is also this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This body is created here, and next is drawing this and next part is drawing this select this back side and sketch normal. Okay, and drawing this part is a drawing here easily, and this part is one by one is created here. Okay, at first drawing this center line and going to this okay, and at first drawing this center line is created here. This center line is this select mid line, and also this center line is this. Okay, this is a construction line. Okay, and drawing a circle is this circle is this is a select here and connect to this okay point, and connect to line is this midpoint to this. Okay, and trim this extra portion is delete here. Circle is a drawing here this circle. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 1.13 inch is perfect, and this dimension is a 0.31 inch. Okay, this is a 0.3 inch is perfect, and okay, and this is a, and this distance is a, this bottom is, this distance is a 2 inch. Okay, and this distance is upper is a 2.5 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here correct. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. This is a drawing this part this distance is a 2.5 inch, and this is a big radius is a 1.13 inch, and this a small circle is a, this is a 0.31 inch, and this distance is a 2 inch. All is perfect drawing here. Okay, and select this and all is fully defined because all is black color, and this is a going to extrude cut. Extrude boss is a this and direction is a reverse, and this is a okay, and this is a perfect and this some a little 0.5 inch is better. Okay, all is correct. This thickness is a 0.5 is perfect. Okay, and select this extrude and going to this color and painted is perfect. Okay, and guys, all point is a mirror, and going to this select a plane is a right plane is better, and X mirror, and going to this is mirror here, and okay, and next is also mirror here. This select a front plane is better, and this a mirror, and drawing this select this select a mirror is both part is a one time is mirror here. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is perfect drawing here, and select this okay, and next part is this is a, and cutout is a perfect and select here this okay, next part is this going to a cutout cutout is this portion is cut out, and this is a 1 inch and this is a 1.25 inch, and this is a 1.06 inch, and this is a 1.69 inch. This portion is cut out here. Okay, this face sketch normal, drawing this line, drawing this and this line is a select here, this portion is cut out, connect to this, drawing this geometry. At first drawing this 3 line. Okay, select drawing this center line is at first drawing a center line, because this center line is very important, and drawing a 3 line is going to this symmetric, and also this line is a drag here, this line is also, this 3 line is a symmetric. Okay, and both is a symmetric and both is a symmetric here, and define a dimension. This is a 1 inch and this is a 1.25 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 1.69 inch, this, and 1.06 inch, 1.69 inch is perfect, and this is a drawing here this 1.06 inch. Okay, and this line is this line, and press a control button, and this line is going to, okay, and this line, and press a control button, select this line, and this is a collinear. Okay, all is fully defined because all is black color, and all is perfect. 1.25 and 1 inch and 1.06 inch and 1.69 inch, and all is fully defined. Okay, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is extrude cut is through all. Okay, connect to this is not okay, and okay, but this is not, this is delete, this portion is delete here, and a sketch line connect to this to this, this to this is a connect here. Okay, and extrude cut. Okay, this is a, okay, this portion is also okay. Extrude cut through all, and this is a, okay, this extrude cut is a very important cutting here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and perfect. And next is select this face, normal, going to this whole wizard, and whole wizard is this, and this is a very important. Select this state tab, and this is a inch, and bottoming tapered hole is perfect, and select a size is 1/420 is perfect. Select here, this is a 1/420, and this is a blind, and this is a 0.63 is perfect, and this is a thread is a 0.5 is perfect, and this blind and 0.63, and position. Okay, select here this, and going to center line. Center line is a drawing here. Okay, center line is this is center line, is vertical line. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and this is a okay, and this point is very important, and define a dimension. Dimension is this point, and this line is a 0.75 inch. Okay, and this point is not mentioned here, but this is a very important, and this point and this line is a 1 inch. Okay, this distance is 1 inch and this is a 0.75 inch, and this is a mirror here, a same here, and going to mirror and select this point, and this is a line. Okay, about this, and select this, and okay, and this preview is showing here this perfect, and click OK. This is a better, and going to this document properties and detailing and set cosmetic thread, check here, and then all this is a thread is a showing here is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and next part is select here this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and drawing a circle. Circle is this center line is this. Okay, drawing this portion is a cutout, and cutout is this, and okay, and this is a 0.56 is better. This diameter is a 0.56. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is this, and apply here up to next is perfect, and select up to next is this, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. Drawing here, and select a chamfer, and chamfer is a 0.075 inch, and 45-degree angle is select here this, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and click and select this face, and drawing this, and sketch this face, sketch, and select this inner line, and this is going to vertex, because this is a use a thread, and this is a created a thread is very important, and going to helix and spiral, and helix and a spiral is a click here, and then this at first going to this height and pitch, and going to this is a constant pitch is click here, and this height is a 4.025 inch, and pitch is a 0.125 inch is perfect, and direction is reverse, and the start angle is 90-degree and clockwise. All value is a correct mention here, and this is a perfect, and this is a okay, and this path is a created here, and then profile is a created. At first going to select a plane and sketch normal, drawing this line, drawing this profile, and going to this profile is created here. This is a okay, and profile is mentioned here this, okay, and this is a delete here, and at first select this line, a profile is created here, this. Draw a center line, connect to this midpoint to this midpoint, and this is a vertical line. Okay, and this portion is delete here. This is a delete here. Okay. Okay, and this is a very important, and dimension is mentioned here. This 0.06 inch, and this distance is a 0.08 inch. Okay, and this is a relation is delete here, and this is a this and okay, this point is this. Okay, and this is perfect. Okay, and also select this angle is a 29 degree. Okay, and select a profile. A profile distance is a this and this distance is a this is a 0.06 inch and 0.08 inch. Both is a profile distance. And okay, and okay, and select this point and press a control button and select this path and going to this. Okay, select this point and press a control button and select this path and going to this appear. This is a pierce is selected and this is a correct. Okay, all is a perfect. Okay, and exit and going to this sweep cut. Sweep cut is automatic. A profile is selected and this path is a select this and okay, this is a this preview is showing here. This created a thread and going to X. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this created a thread is perfect, and this line is a hide here, and this is a perfect, and click here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect drawing, correct. Okay, okay, at first then all part is created here, and going to this sum is a fillet is used here, and then this fillet is a 0.12 0.13 inch is fillet, and this is a 0.1 inch fillet, and this use a okay, all is perfect. And this fillet is used here 0.25 inch. Okay, at first select a fillet is 0.25 inch. It's select here and going to this side, and then this side, and this is a and this side, and all side is used a fillet is very important, because this body looking is perfect and correct. This okay, one by one is all is selected and click OK. Okay, this base. Okay, and next fillet is select here this 0.13 inch, select here and click this. Okay, and select this line, and select this line, and select this line. Okay, this is a okay, and okay, and this bench wise lathe machine base all fillet is used here one by one, and next fillet is used here this 0.001 inch, and select this all face, back side, this face, okay, select this face and select this face. But mention here, this is a delete here. One by one is this face is select here, and this face, and this face, and this is a this face, because all point is a perfect here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and select this first, second, and 3, and going to this, and this is a color here. Okay guys, all point is one by one is a learner, and all point is a learner is complete drawing this part and isometric view. Okay, and guys, okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and okay, all point is perfect and correct drawing here. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a beautiful this product is very nice looking here, and this product is a exhaust manifold with threads. This is a exhaust manifold design and with threads is also available here. And okay, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and 2D drafting is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all detail is mentioned here one by one, and all dimension in millimeter. And pipe fillet, this is a fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and threads details is also available here. This length is 92 millimeter, pitch is 6 millimeter, and size is M72, and offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, today discuss here all point is discussed here one by one, and this is a all detail is mentioned here. And this is a final product is a this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this product is a this is a looking very nice. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a so nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. All is this is a this is a whole is also size is correct, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is designed to discuss here one by one, all point is learn here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is discussed here. This is a plain white is correct, and this is a going to document property, and going to image quality. Image quality is very high because this all geometry is looking perfect and correct. Okay, at first drawing this body, and this body is this pattern is used here. This pattern is length is a this two center point distance between 120 millimeter, and this is a 4 pattern, and one is drawing here. This is a this center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this angle is very nice and very useful. And this a small circle is diameter is 17 millimeter, and big circle is radius is 16 millimeter, and this cutout is all cutout is 72 millimeter, and this big circle is radius 52 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and okay, this is a and this is a use a front plane, and some reference line is drawing here, and reference line is drawing this. Okay, and again this center line is drawing here this, and two line is very important, and select this line and this center point and use a coincident. Okay, again select this line and use a center point and use this is a midpoint, and this is a very nice. Okay, and again a smart dimension is used here, and this angle is a 38 degree is very important. Okay, this is a perfect. And drawing a two circle, big circle is this, and two circle is small circle, and this drawing to this, and this circle is this. Okay, and select press a control button and select both and use a relation is equal. Okay, select this and use a line and connect to this, and again select a line and use this to this. Okay, and again select a line, and this to this connect here, and all connection is a all is a tangent. Tangent is very important, because this is a not tangent here, and then use a this use a tangent, but select this point to this point is use tangent, and again select this both is select tangent, and also this use a tangent. This already is tangent here, and all is perfect. And mention dimension, this is a and this center, this distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this radius is 52, means diameter is a 104 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. 104 millimeter, and this is a use a this is use a this delete here, and also this is use a 32 millimeter. And this distance between two center is use 136 millimeter is perfect. All is a fully defined, because this is a perfect. And some trim command is used here, and some extra portion is trimmed, because this unused unwanted. This is not used here, and this also trimmed, and this also trimmed. This is a correct. And use extrude boss, and this thickness is a this thickness is 10 millimeter, and this thickness is 16 millimeter. This use a blind, and use a thickness is 10 millimeter is perfect. And this face use here, and use a normal, and use a big circle drawing here, and both side is a use this to this use here this, and both select this to this and use a equal, and this diameter is a 72 millimeter, and this diameter is a 17 millimeter is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is very important, and use a cutout. This is a perfect, but all is this is a use a one body is clear design, but use a pattern, and this is a use of 4. Pattern is 4, and this body is 4. And select this face, sketch normal, and use a reference line, and reference line is very important, because this use a pattern, and this line is a horizontal. This is a perfect. And exit, and use a linear pattern, because this line is a horizontal, and use a this, and this distance is a 120 millimeter. Because this to center distance is a between two center distance between 120 millimeter is perfect. And this use pattern is used here a 4 pattern, and this distance is 120 millimeter, pattern is 4, and use a bodies, and click this body, and direction is a reverse direction, and use a this, and click OK. And this line is a hide, and isometric view. This is a perfect. And next is use here, and next is a this, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a pattern also use here, and this circle is big, diameter is a 130 millimeter, and this center to distance is a 160 millimeter is drawing here. And one point is very important. This point is a 178 millimeter. This is a direction is upward. This is a downward direction. This is a perfect. and use a top plane, and a plane is created here, and this distance is 178 millimeter, and direction is flip side downward, and click OK. Okay, and this is a, and also this plane sketch normal, and at first drawing a line, a center line is drawing here, and this connect to this point to this. Okay, and again select a center line and select a midpoint and use a this to this. Okay, and this plane is hide because all is looking perfect, and this circle is drawing here this point. Okay, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is diameter is 130 millimeter. Okay, this is delete here, and use a, this is a 130 millimeter, and this distance is a, this to this point, a distance is a 160 millimeter. Okay, and this is a very nice 160 millimeter is perfect, 160 millimeter and 130 millimeter, and this thickness is a, okay, this thickness is a 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 17 millimeter. Okay, and both is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a blind, and use a 16 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and also this sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and use a 72 millimeter is cut out is perfect, and use a extrude cut, use a through all, and click OK, and again select this sketch normal, and drawing a center line, and this center line is very important because some use a pattern, and again select a, click, draw a circle, and circle diameter is a 14 millimeter, and this distance to this is a, use a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and also this is perfect because this is a pattern, use a 14 millimeter, and this 52 millimeter is correct. Okay, this use of 52 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use extrude cut is a through all, and click OK, and use a pattern is select a circular pattern, and select this. Okay, click here, and this is a this edge, and also select this, and use this pattern, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a correct, and next use a 3 line is drawing here, a 3D line is drawing here, and this pipe is connected to this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and this is a perfect sketch, and 3D sketch is drawing here, and select, click a line is a, this is a, okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a drawing here this, also click here, and select this center to drawing here, not a middle. Okay, this is a perfect, and click press a tab, and use this vertical line is perfect. Vertical line is correct, and also click a line and connect to this line to this, and this use a very nice looking here. Okay, and some geometry is okay, this is length is 114 millimeter, 114 millimeter, and this length is 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this length is a 114 millimeter and this length is use a 54 millimeter is correct, but this line is a not center and connect to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a and some use a fillet is a this use a pipe fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and use a fillet is a 98 millimeter, and use a this and also 68 millimeter, and use a this, and both fillet is used here and perfect. Okay, and exit this path is drawing here, and again select this face sketch, and this profile is also this, select this edge and use a convert entities and click OK. Both is profile and path is drawing here easily. Okay, use a swept boss and profile is automatic, select here and click a path. Okay, this is a perfect pipe is this preview is showing here and click OK. This is a perfect, and okay, and again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and drawing a line, and the line is a this, and select this circle, and this circle is a okay, this circle is a this center point, and use a tab, and this is use this perpendicular line. Okay, this is not mentioned here, and this line is delete here. This line is a vertical line, and select this, and this line is a vertical line. Okay, this line is a this line is a vertical line. Okay, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a okay, this vertical line is this. Okay, and connect to this line to this. Okay, and perfect. Okay, this is okay, perfect, and use this. Okay, this is use this length is 114 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 54 millimeter is perfect, and okay, and this point is a this drag here and connect to this center, and this center is perfect. Okay, and this is a drag here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and also use a fillet is 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is drawing here easily, and also exit and click this face sketch, and this use a convert entities, and this profile is also drawing here and click OK, and use a swept boss, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing here, and select this path. Okay, path and this profile is both is click here and click OK, and this body is drawing here, and then next two is this body is copy here easily. Okay, and also 3D sketch is drawing here. Okay, and select a okay, this is a this circle is okay, drawing a center line, and center line is this circle is a okay, this is a correct, and this is a vertical line, okay, and use also horizontal line and correct, okay. Okay, not better, but this line is delete here. This line is a use, again select a center line and connect, and this to this, and not use here, and press a tab, and tab button is a okay. This use a okay. Okay, this line is a use a curve, but curve is not mentioned here. Use a line is a okay. Okay, this use a tab, okay, this is a perfect line, okay, this line is a correct, but select a exit and use a this plane is created here, and this plane is use this line and click this line and click okay. This plane is create here easily, and use a mirror is this, and automatic this plane is select here, and use this line, and swept boss base is to first is, and again select is a this, both is select here, and this preview is showing here, click okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a correct, and both is hide because this body is looking perfect, okay. And cell command is use here, and cell is one thickness is 1 millimeter, and select this, and all is 1 by 1 is select here, and this to this, and click okay. Okay, all is a this is a hollow, and okay, all is looking perfect, and okay. And next is use here okay, this is a perfect, and this use this length is 96 millimeter is, and this diameter is 80, and select this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, okay, center point is select here, and this circle is drawing here, and align a dimension, this dimension is a 80 millimeter, okay, and use a extrude boss is a thickness is a 96 millimeter, okay, and use a thin feature, and thin feature is a direction is a okay reverse, this is a inward direction, and this is a looking perfect, and click okay. Okay, and this use a 96 millimeter, okay, and use a fillet is this, use a 1 millimeter is perfect, and use a this 1 millimeter, and click okay, and again select a okay, but this not mention here of this fillet is delete here because okay, this is delete here, and select here a fillet is used here 1 millimeter, and select this face and also this, and click okay. Okay, this is a looking perfect. And next is use a thread is used here, this is a 92 millimeter, and this offset is 6 millimeter, and okay, this use a pitch is 6 millimeter, and size is 72 millimeter, okay, and use a thread is this, use a select this, okay, offset is used here 6 millimeter, direction is outward, this is a perfect, and this 92 millimeter, and use a metric to die, and this M72 multiply 6 means size is M72 size, and this 6 millimeter is pitch. And also this cut thread is also perfect, and right handed cut thread is perfect. All is looking perfect, and click OK. Okay. This active process is some little late. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this thread is used here, and some black color is mentioned here because this is a perfect. Okay, and material is apply here, and material is this, use a nickel, and nickel is a this. And okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And some, and okay, this is a some use a chamfer is 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter, and one by one and use a chamfer. Chamfer is a, this is a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle. This use a this, and click OK. And again select this chamfer is used here, and select this, click OK. And okay, this is a perfect. And again select a chamfer is this, and this is a multi is not used here, one by one is perfect. And select this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect. And also fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 1 millimeter, and this select this and select this both side and click OK. Okay, and also fillet is used here, and click this face and click this. Okay, okay, and again select a fillet this face and use this face and click OK. And last this, click this face, and this face is also this. This is a correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and isometric is also better, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and this front view is also better. Okay, okay, and use this. Okay guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, thank you.